anyways, as you can see, folks, I've got this like light switch here and it won't work. And I got to call apartment maintenance, but who wants to do that? They come into your place when you're gone. I don't like that. So what I did instead is I have bought these like battery powered, what do you want to call them? Like they're like light bulbs. Hang on. They're like battery powered light bulbs that you can just like attach to any wall. Therefore, I don't have to call maintenance and deal with, you know, people coming into your place when you're gone. So right now we're going to set this up real quick, okay? So stand by and welcome to this channel of, I don't know, Anderson's product reviews. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I must also add that the product does come with like 4 screws or 2 screws, so you can either choose to screw it into your wall or amazingly, you can choose to use the Stickum in the back. So you can either use it, you know, the screws to like secure it firmly to the wall, or you can use the Stickum that comes to the back. I think for this, I'm just going to use the Stickum. Just keep it simple, man. It's Sunday, I got work tomorrow, man. I ain't trying to be done, you know, man. Anyway, okay. So as you can see, there's no light in this small hall. I'm just tired of the darkness because I can't see what's in the closet. So where should I put it? You know, should I put it like here? I don't know, or should I put it there? Or both, you know? I think I'll put it here since this is right next to the other one. So watch as I do this, folks. Oh, and you also need like 4 AA batteries, as you can see there. And they didn't send no batteries, so you're going to have to buy your own batteries. You're going to need 4 AA batteries, all right? Okay. Okay, I've installed the batteries, so let's pull the plug and see if it works. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Let's pull the plug and voila, peanut butter sandwiches. It works. So let's put it on the wall now. Turn this puppy off. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to steal this or peel this Stickum thing off of here if you can see it. Peel this off right here. Take it off like that. Now let's go put it up on the wall, man. All right, so we're gonna stick it right there, right next to this light here. And oh, damn, I already stuck. I forgot about that crap. Okay. Now let's pull the little string. Woo! Look at that. Now I've got some hall light now. I mean, it's not the brightest thing, to be honest with you. It's not like ultra bright. But so maybe I'll put another one right there. But I think that should do. Alright, and folks, that ends this little short review. I ain't trying to like take hours to do this and use my good camera and all I'm going to get is like 2 views. You know, so hey, it is what it is, man. But it does work, and again, I ordered them off of Amazon. Now go get your shine box. Oh yeah, and it gives me enough light to see into like my closet. That's really what I wanted to do, is be able to see into my hall closet, my little Santa Claus suit up there, whatever. So yeah, it's okay. But again, it's not the brightest bulb, and I'm not sure if you can place it out with a brighter one. That's for another review.